always wanted to work on renewable energy projects since I was young. I am Mairéad for the Only New Wind Farm. My role is environmental coordinator. So I'm responsible to ensure that all of the mitigation measures and the planning conditions are complied with. I was always interested in the environment, and I remember seeing my first wind farm, and I always thought I'd love to work on that. And my dad had always said, always go work for ESB. And 8 years ago I joined ESB, and now I work on onshore and offshore wind farms. So I'm really honoured, to be honest, to be working in this field. We're looking at 176 metre tip height. So visual and noise are always going to be issues or concerns from locals about wind farms. And as part of that, we have a lot of measures in place to ensure environmental controls, especially for ecology. We have dust monitoring, which is done monthly. We have noise, ongoing noise monitoring. We have visual inspections of the watercourses. And I'm absolutely sure that over 10 years of monitoring the birds, we now know, based on our post-monitoring, that we have not impacted either the distribution or the quantity of birds in sight. So all of the mitigation measures that were required, all of the monitoring is put into a report, and it's really transparent. And I believe that transparency has resulted in really good engagement, and I think our team are so proud to be part of that. The electricity produced from phase 1 alone is 89 megawatts, and I believe that powers about 80,000 houses. So we're looking at phase 2 doubling that, and there's also plans for phase 3. That is basically meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs, and renewable energy is just that.